Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to CoinGecko. Logging into CoinGecko helps you to save your portfolio, synchronize your watch list, and track coins across devices. So to log into your CoinGecko application, first of all, download and open up the CoinGecko app on your device, and from the main home screen, you will see three different login options. You can log into CoinGecko with Google, Apple, or with your email. Since I previously used email, I'm gonna have to do the same. Tap on Continue with email to sign in with your email address. Now in the email address field, write down your correct email address you used while signing up for CoinGecko. Now, click on Continue with Email and follow through the on-screen instructions. After following through the instructions, you will then be able to sign into your CoinGecko account. Go ahead and approve necessary permissions and you will land in the Markets tab. Just make sure you have your credentials correct and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.